Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this site cannot be reached error in Google Chrome. If you're using Google Chrome and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open any website, you see an error that this site cannot be reached. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first, you have to make sure that your Chrome as it is up to date. You have to open your App Store or Play Store and you have to simply search for Chrome or Google Chrome you can search for, and here you have to make sure that your Chrome as it app is up to date. If you find any update here, try to updating your app, and after updating you have to simply go back from here and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to double check your network connection that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or still the data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. So after doing that, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, there's a simple way. So it might be that the website is not available in your region. You just have to switch your region or change your region by using a VPN. Just open your App Store or Play Store, search for VPN, install any VPN from here. I have already installed this one. Just tap on this open option to open the VPN here. Just tap on this consent option and your VPN will be connected. Once you have connected with your VPN, you can see I'm going to connect with my VPN here. Just tap on connect option and your VPN will be connected. Once you are connected with the VPN, now you can easily access any website without any issue like that. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so you have to check for the country or region in which the website is still available. So once you find the country or region, you just have to open your VPN settings here, and here you have to select the region option and select the country or region which you want to select or in which that is available. Just tap on this location option here and then select the country or region in which that website is available. Simply select that from this list and then connect with that. And once you have connected, your issue must be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.